on a big presentation in PowerPoint, which is one of the ones I've been certified in, and they were watching me like import slides and stuff. They're like, wait a minute, how did you do that? Like, we didn't know you could do that. I'm like, oh yeah, I learned that in my class. Yeah.
The faster and more efficient we are, the more work we can get done, the more efficient we are for the people we work with. If everyone knew a little bit more and knew all the tricks and what have you, the work would just tick along a little bit quicker. And I think that's good for everybody. I also think these programs are so powerful, and we know the tip of the iceberg. And if we just knew more about how they worked, it would be so helpful. And when one of us in our area can learn something, we share it.
I use Excel pretty heavily in my day-to-day job already. The preparing for the certification kind of helped me learn new tricks and things I wasn't aware of before, so I feel like it's polished my Excel skills.
And we have a student desk there. It's kind of like a help desk, and that's where all my students, so far I have 9 student workers, and they're the ones who are going for the certifications. But when you are going out in the job market, this will give you a bonus point on your resume that's saying, oh well, I'm Microsoft certified on Excel, which is like if they have finance background or like a data analyst or something. Like, I think having Access and Excel, these are really good tools for their resumes. I said, well, just use it, become an expert and study it so that you can use it for your career as well.